welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick DIY hair mask. So we're going to be using 4 ingredients: an avocado, 1 banana, honey, and lavender. So I just have my magic bullet container and I'm just going to be cutting this avocado in half. Now the reason why I'm using avocado is because it can help soothe the scalp and promote long, strong, and healthy hair growth. It's also very moisturizing, so as it's winter, I love to use avocado oil or something that has avocado in it in order to nourish my hair. So the next, I put bananas in my hair mask, and the reason why is because it's full of potassium, which helps with softening the hair, protecting the hair from and giving it its natural elasticity, and also preventing split ends and breakage. So the next item I put in my hair is honey, and this is supposed to be antibacterial and is supposed to strengthen the hair and the follicles so I have long, strong, and healthy hair. I also put lavender in it to help with hair growth, and I just put my cap back on and I let it blend. So once taking off the cap, it looks very thick, but it's actually very smooth and it worked out to glide in my hair really, really well. After washing my hair, I was able to take it out of a ponytail, and then I'm just going to apply the mask evenly throughout my hair. Now this mask actually smelled really, really good, which I really appreciated. And the ingredients is stuff that you can easily find at grocery stores or around your house. So it looks very thick, but it's actually pretty runny. So I just took some in my hands and just applied it all throughout my hair in no particular order. So I'm just going to take my hair after applying it all throughout my hair and just twist it up into a bun. And then I'm just going to put a plastic cap over my hair and let that sit for about half an hour to an hour. I like when my hair masks sit for more than half an hour because I find that's a better time frame for the products to actually penetrate through my hair and actually for me to get the best results out of my products. So after rinsing it out and applying my styling products, this is what my hair looks like. It's super defined and it actually looks quite healthy, so I was pretty happy with the results. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll talk to you guys all in my next one.